When you hear algae, often this comes to mind. Beaches closed, water off limits. But ask algae enthusiasts about its potential to help us and the planet, and the answer you get may be limitless.
The benefits of algae are too simple to believe, but too powerful not to. And the science is there. It's just not been communicated to people.
Catherine Arnston is the founder, CEO, and Chief Scientific Officer of Energy Bits, a Boston-based algae company. It's estimated there are tens of thousands of types. Not all are toxic, but Arnston is passionate, and that is no exaggeration, about two types, chlorella and spirulina. Both are microalgae.
Chlorella is a green algae, and it is well known for its wellness and detox benefits. It builds your immune system and heals your gut. Spirulina is known to be energizing for your brain, for your body, and for your cells. This is the answer for wellness.
At MIT, bubbling in this beaker is spirulina. Turga Ganapathy is focused on developing the best way to home grow it, explaining it's dense in nutrients and protein.
55 to 65% protein by dry weight. That's more than meat, more than plant-based proteins. They're also complete proteins, meaning that they produce amino acids that the human body cannot synthesize, that we usually get from animals, or a combination of different plant-based protein sources. When they're happy, they're this like rich, like bluish green.
Ganapathy collects samples, studies shape, and tracks protein content.
In 2D, they look squiggly, but actually they're helical, like DNA.
Once harvested with a filter and dried, spirulina is commonly sold as a powder.
You find it in the aisles of health food stores and like a expensive smoothie bar. Most of the research dedicated toward cultivating spirulina is mostly for commercial applications.
Ganapathy's do-it-yourself approach comes from the belief that everyone should have access.
I'm really worried about how the ecological crisis is going to affect our food supplies because we're so locked into these large centralized systems, and I'm interested in ways we can democratize and decentralize food. People can take this knowledge and this simple, accessible technology and do it for themselves at home.
The growing systems at Energy Bits for its spirulina and chlorella look quite different. Of course, this is a commercial operation.
The reason people in America don't know about spirulina or chlorella is because it's not grown here. 99% of it is grown in China, Taiwan, Korea.
The Energy Bits farm is in Taiwan.
So we grow the algae. It takes about a month to grow it in this fresh water. It's very narrow ponds. And then we air dry it, and then we just press them into these little tablets. There is nothing else in there. It is 100% concentrated, either concentrated spirulina, concentrated chlorella.
The taste can be a barrier to entry, hence the bits.
So, Catherine, we have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Most just swallow the spirulina. It has a fishy flavor.
I'm doing it with the water. Easy as can be.
And it's not like fish oil that you burp up frequently. Nothing. No repeat whatsoever.
Arnston says the chlorella is easier to eat. Her serving suggestion is to add pistachios and crunch away.
It just tastes kind of like mildly green.
Like Ganapathy, Arnston is concerned about health on a large scale.
The United Nations had a global conference on spirulina algae and declared 49 years ago it was the answer to world hunger because it has so much protein and it's a sustainable, eco-friendly crop. And we need it more now than ever because we're in a health crisis, a nutrition crisis, and we've got to do something.